Before we proceed to our topic, let us know what is permutation. Permutation is the arrangement of objects in which order is important. In permutation, the order is always important. Unlike in the combination, the order is not important. And in permutation, there are always have an arrangement. Examples of permutation. Suppose we have the letters A, B, and C. We want to find all possible arrangement of the letters. Permutation. ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. So we have total 6 arrangement. Sample number 2. Arranging a songs from top 1 to 10. 2. Declaring a winner from first to third runner-up. Sample number 3. Picking a different color like red, blue, and orange. As you see, hindi po natin sila pwedeng gawing sabay-sabay. Unlike sa combination, pwede silang sabay-sabay na mangyari. Sa permutation po ay laging merong arrangement and the order is always important.